So this is the one of the example to represent the functionalities of the system using of use case diagram. So here there are three things. One is actor, second one is use case, oval is represented use case, and this is solid line. Solid line means association. So association relation we can represent the actor and the use case. So there are two actors, user and the system. So user and system perform some operations to execute the ATM system. So first operation is insert card. User insert the card. So if the user inserted card is authorized card or not, that is verified by the system. So and the second one is enter PIN number. User enter the PIN number. If the PIN number is valid or not, that is checked by the system. And the third one is transaction. If the PIN number is correct, then user perform the transactions. All the transactions are updated by the system. So if the transaction is runs smoothly, user take the money and system gives the money. So each and every operation is performed by the system and user. So here first user is the user send the user insert the card. So this operation is performed by the user. So user is the primary actor. So if the card is correct or not, that is checked by the system. System is the secondary actor. Okay, this is the example for ATM system to represent the functional requirements of the system. Next, functional descriptions with the use case. So each and every functionality can be described. So first one is use case scenario, insert card into ATM system. So actor is to perform the insert card operation. In that operation there are two actors are involved. One is user, another one is system. So these two actors are involved to perform the functionality of insert card into ATM system. The primary actor is user. So user insert the card. So the use case is initiated with the user. So user is the primary actor. Secondary actor is the system. So system checks if the card is valid card or not. So after inserting user card, system is checking the card. So secondary actor is system. Main flow, user insert the card into the system. To perform the operation, the main flow is user insert the card into the system. So alternative flow, to check the card is valid or not. So if the card is valid, then go to next operation. If the card is not valid, then reinsert the card or insert valid card. So that is the alternative flow. If any alternative flow, main flow means if it describes interaction all these steps without fail. So without fail any operation is performed, that is main flow. If the operation is failed with some problems, there is choose the alternative operation, alternative steps. The next one is developing use cases. Developing use cases. So in that developing use cases, actors, goals, main scenarios, use case execution, failure conditions and failure actions. A step-by-step approach for the analysis represented in the use case. So this is the step-by-step approach for the analysis represented in use case. So first one is actors and goals. Identify the actors and their goals and an agreement between the developers and users represented in the use case. So each and every actor goal is identified. So which goal is performed by which actor, that is specified in the actors and goals. Next one, Main scenario, for each these use cases, the system behavior, each use case is specified. This description can be reviewed interested stakeholders. For each of the use cases, the system behavior. So each and every use case specifies the system behavior. So this description can be reviewed interested stakeholders. Use case execution. Use case execution means who are initiate the system, you who are perform the actions on the system. That is use case execution. So there are two executions. One is main flow, another one is alternative flow. Without any faults, the system the operations are run. Then it is a main flow. If the system fails, we can choose the alternative. So that is the alternative flow. Main flow conditions. So once the success is listed, all the possible failures conditions can be identified. So in alternative case, we can identify the failure conditions. If the card is not valid, so we can insert the valid card. So failure condition. So failure handlings. If it specifies how to handle the failures with new actors and new use cases. So it specifies how to handle failures with new actors and new use cases. So if for example, when consider the online shopping, so to perform the payment use case, so payment functionality. So the credit card transaction is failed. We can choose the alternative. So debit card or cash on delivery or other options. So if one operation is failed to perform the functionality, then go to another option. So that is how to handle the failures. Okay. Thank you.